So we never actually agreed to anything specifically, but I think we were going to go for 1 point for the winner of the miles, 1 point for the deliveries done, so whoever does the most miles gets a point, whoever does the most deliveries gets a point, and then 2 points for the person who makes the most money, and that is with orders accepted between the hours and 10 o'clock. Doesn't matter when you finish it, it's about when the orders were accepted. So as you can see now on the screen, I'm going to show you my little map, and it will let me see if I can watch it along with you. Right, so here we go. This is something that London Eats has shown me. It just basically shows your distance covered on an well, not an interactive map, but a map. And as you can see, if I look closely, I think it was like 40 miles. Still going. Boy, that was a session. 36 miles an hour, that was going down a really steep hill. And that was my second from last drop, and my last drop. There we go, that was it. 40.4 miles. 4 hours and 21 minutes. There you go. So I probably know by now how much London Eats did, because his video was going to be before mine. So I'll know who got the first point. Now, let's move on to deliveries. If I open up my little spreadsheet, I did, drumroll please, a total of 21 deliveries. That was 7 with Uber and 14 with Deliveroo. Now I'm going to put on the screen a little total. So can I get a drum roll? For the day, the figure was, as you can see on the screen, 91.18. Now I have to deduct 32.89 because that was what I earned at lunchtime, which gives me 58.29. 60, 70, 80, yeah, 58.29. Yeah, so there you go. Now, let's add Uber. For Uber, I did, and I've already told you this in the total, I did 14 on Deliveroo and 7 on Uber. So of those 7 deliveries, I made 32.17, giving me a total of £90 and 44 pence, plus the £3 cash tip, which was on camera from the Russian oligarchy, which gives me 93.44. And I don't know, I haven't watched London Eats videos yet, so I don't know. So either I'm going to be crying or I'm going to be ecstatically happy. But it was fun. It really was fun. Win or lose, it really was fun. Totally enjoyed it. Basically, I went out there and I said, there is no way I'm going to lose. I'm going to do everything I can to win this, because doing Deliveroo, it sounds pretty pathetic, but doing Deliveroo is one of the few things I'm quite good at. But yeah, no, I thoroughly enjoyed it, and I wish the best of luck to London Eats. I hope he did very well, just hopefully not as well as me. But what can I say? What is that? That's like 20. I think that works out to be £22.61 per hour. Does that include the free? I can't remember. Free? No, it doesn't. £23.36 per hour, and the cash tips weren't very good yesterday. They weren't very good at all. So you could easily make £25 if you were lucky an hour. But I was pretty lucky with the deliveries. But 2 apps, what can I say? 2 apps for the win. For the win.